as I just said earlier, you can use the E minor pentatonic to blow over all the changes of a blues. But there's also something called a major blues scale. It's basically the same scale. We are using, seen from the minor, we're adding the flat 5. Seen from the major, we're adding the flat 3. So that gives me a scale that has just basically my major pentatonic material with the root, third, fifth, sixth, and the second, of course, and but it also gives me that added flat 3. And you have a handout that shows you a couple of good positions how to finger that. They're basically the same position is basically pattern 6 is a good one for the blues scale, as is pattern 3, but on the handout I wrote it out for G major so that you can blow these changes over a G major blues. And here's the thing, when you are using the major blues scale, you want to change with the changes. Okay, so this blues is going to be in G7, and I'm using the G major pentatonic, then the C major pentatonic, and then the D major pentatonic with that added blue note, so you could say the G, C, and D major blues scales to blow over that. Okay, so again, in contrast, if you use the minor pentatonic, you can stay in that scale for the whole blues. If you use the major pentatonic, you should change because some of the notes clash. Let's do a sample of that in a blues in G, where I will be using the major blues scales of G, the key of G, the key of C, and the key of D. And you have a handout that shows you good positioning of those scales. Let's go. Different possibilities for soloing over a blues, either using the minor pentatonic throughout, or as I just demonstrated here, using the major blues scale, changing with the chord changes.